Kubernetes, you keep hearing this word everywhere. What's even is it? In next 2 minutes you will know exactly what Kubernetes is and which is used by Netflix, Google, Spotify. If your apps ever goes viral overnight, you better be ready. Let's say you have created an application and you want to share it with the world. Every developer's dream is that let's deploy it. And you write the code, you test it locally, package it up, and it runs anywhere. And it's time to share it with the world. And for sharing, you use Docker containers. You package your application, and Docker makes your application works the same way regardless of the environment. Your app is now packaged into containers like app, database, cache. The same containers runs everywhere, local, staging, prod. Let's say that you have deployed your app on 3 different servers using Docker. Let's say it's like server 1, server 2, server 3, and the containers are running on all those 3 servers. Then your application starts getting massive traffic. Now your app is doing better than ever you thought it would. Now it's time for you to scale your application fast. And how do you go from 3 to 40 servers? Like which containers goes where, who monitor them all, restart if they die. Too many things to be considered. And 3 servers to 40 servers needed. Things are really getting out of your hand fast. Oh no, this is getting really complicated, right? So you're thinking like how I'm going to manage all this. Like you have which container goes to which servers. What if a container crashes at midnight or 3 a.m.? How do I load balance across 40 servers? A lot of things to be considered, and probably like you need to restart them, and I need to create more instance too. So there are a lot of things which comes in your mind, and you're thinking like, wouldn't be it easier if this behavior is handled by a system? So this is where the Kubernetes comes into play. Kubernetes, or we call it as K8s or Kube, is an open source container orchestration platform, and it automates deploying, managing, and scaling containerized applications. K8s takes over the chaos, like it decides which containers goes where, it restarts crashed containers automatically, and also scales up or down based on your traffic. So don't worry, K8s will take control and it will do all the jobs which you need. A Kubernetes cluster consists of worker machines called nodes, and that runs containerized app. So every cluster has like at least one worker node, and multiple nodes are grouped. If one fails, your app still stays up. So the master node is in charge, and it's the control plane, and the worker runs. There are worker nodes, and the pods run on it, which holds your actual containers. Let's say like if a pod dies, K8s restart it automatically. What happens when the traffic spikes? K8s add more pods. It does all the jobs for you. That's why we call Kubernetes as an orchestration for your containers. So what are our key takeaways? Kubernetes is your container traffic controller at massive scale. Think of like Docker equal to 1 container, and Kubernetes is equal to like 1,000 containers across 40 servers, fully managed. So drop a comment if you start with Docker first and want to move to K8s, or jump straight into Kubernetes from the day one. Let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, press the thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. So thank you for watching.